What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Myers Two-Stroke RC Garage. And today, guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look at the 28 millimeter carb kit. Yes, I said that right, the 28 millimeter carb kit. I got it for the 71, and we're going to take a look at it today and do some comparisons and stuff and all that stuff. So why don't I get you guys down here closer to the bench, and we'll start getting these parts out of this bag and stuff. All right, guys, I got you guys closer to the bench, and I did. Last night, this came last night, and I did open it because I wanted to kind of take a look at, the stuff, all that stuff. So I did open it last night, but we're going to go ahead and go through the parts. So let's go ahead and get at it. Okay, so first up, we'll just do this. First up, I ordered me the Taylor RC flag to put on my roll cage. So I'm gonna put this, that's one of the things I bought or I got or whatever. And then I got a new set of gears, and these are 2945s, guys. And what I am running, these are 2846s. So this is a one gear set higher than what I was running prior. That's what I meant last video when I said we're not gonna be running these ones over here. So I had a new set coming. And then it's the crown jewel of them all, and this right here, guys, this is, here's some more stickers. This, I've already, like I said, I already looked at it, and this thing is freaking unbelievable. So here it is. Got the carburetor, and it comes with the gasket, and it's got the intake that's already bolted to it, and of course the velocity stack. And this thing is Mondo, guys. I'm telling you. Wait till you see it when I compare them. So, anyways, that's what's going on there. Those are the parts. Yeah, first thing we're going to go over is the gears. And like I said, we're not going to be running these 2846s. We're going to be running the 2945s, and this is, 2 teeth higher, one gear set higher than what we were running. But what the story behind the gears is, I was talking to Mike, and I was messaging him, and I was asking him about the gears and stuff, and what he told me is even with the carburetor upgrade, he told me even with that, just go ahead and go one tooth up, and then check and see how the load is and everything, and see what that is. And then if that seems like I need more gear, what I told him I would do is I'm going to send him some footage, and so he can look at it and he can decide and help me, kind of do that stuff. So that's kind of what I got going on with the gears. And there's only two sets of gears that are higher than this. From, I think there's 30, 44, and then I think there's one set above that. But I'm, getting to the point where I'm running the top dog gears too. So I never thought I would be here, guys. I never thought I would be here. I started my YouTube channel, 5-6 years ago, and I can't thank everybody enough. I got 2,000 subscribers, over 2,000 subscribers, and I'm running the best, and with honors, sir. So yeah. Anyways, I'm running the best of the best, and I always, when I first got into this hobby, I always wanted this stuff, but I never ever thought it would ever happen. And it just goes to show you, with a little bit of patience and determination, a guy can do a lot of things. So I started rambling on there, guys, for a minute, but that's the gear set. All right, so next up, as you can see, I got one of these tires done, and I wanted to give Crucial RC a shout out if you guys know who I'm talking about. Crucial RC. He puts out a lot of good videos, a lot of tech videos and stuff. But he put out a video on installation of these, and it's a very good video. I suggest everybody go over to his channel and check it out, because these tires are so totally different than what you would normally get. I don't know how to explain it, but they're a lot stiffer, and they're hard to work. And he had some tire spoons, some little mini tire spoons, I thought, in his video that he was putting them on with. And I was using flat blade screwdrivers, being very careful, and I was able to get it done. But I would recommend those tire spoons that he was using. Makes the job a lot easier. But no, these things are stiff, and I'm telling you, they're stiff. And then another thing I wanted to mention, what fits so well is these bead locks. These bead locks just fell right in, and they were like, I didn't have to keep them pressed down to make them seat in where they were supposed to seat. What I'm trying to say is that both sides, I kind of wiggled them either way, and they snapped into place. They were all the way down, and I just put my screws in. So I wanted to mention that. I do have one tire done. The other one, I have to get the rim. I washed this rim and both bead locks, but I got to get the other rim washed up. It was a little late last night when I was doing it, and I didn't feel like doing the other one. So I did get one tire done, and I wanted to show you in comparison, what these tires are, in comparison. But you can see, how big they are. I mean, they're 195s, so I just wanted to go over that. Okay, guys, so the next thing I wanted to mention, I got the body up here, and I wanted to show, I mean, it's no big deal, but I just kind of wanted to let everybody know where I planned on putting it. And then back here in the spare tire carrier that I don't use, because I don't want a bunch of weight on it, this thing is just the right size to fit in there. And I'm going to find some sort of way to get it to stick in there. But that's how I want it to go, and all that stuff. So I wanted to show everybody that. Yep, now we're getting into the goodies. So let me grab a blade here. I broke my box knife blade, so I noticed that yesterday when I was unboxing the wheels. So we want to pull the gasket out and just set it off to the side, and then pull the carb out. And there she be, boys. And this thing is freaking serious. It is freaking serious, let me tell you. Another thing, well, I'm just gonna let you guys look at it, but it's a different setup. Trying to get the camera to focus right. I'm sorry I'm so shaky. Probably had a little bit too much coffee this morning. So there's the carburetor, guys. And I was talking to Mike and John Tamelco, and I even made a post on Taylor RC, the Taylor group on Facebook. And I was asking about, the carburetor settings versus 71, to an 88, because that's what these things come out on, is the 88. But they can go on any big bore with his new intake and stuff. So I was asking around about carburetor settings, and from what they told me, both of them told me that both settings, the high and the low, are the same for the 88 as they are for the 71. So that's the deal there. And you can go on Taylor's site, and you go to his manuals and his downloads or whatever, and go to the 88 section, and then go to the carburetor, the tuning part, and it'll tell you there, exactly what to do. And then also on Detroit Performance, his website, John's website, go to his tech. I think it's the tech area or something like that. It's different. It's something different than technical bulletins, but it's something like that. It's the tech area, and then he has pretty much the same thing up there. So another thing I wanted to mention, as you can see, there's no choke on it. So to choke it, you take the air filter off. you stick your hand over it. You just give it a couple blubs, and usually it'll pop right off. And then this also looks like it has an accelerator pump down there in the middle. That's what I believe that is. I don't know anything about this carburetor, but I've been around a lot of carburetors, and that's what it looks like to me, is an accelerator pump. So, but no, we don't have any choke or anything as far as that goes. So I'm gonna have to start it like I used to start the Taylor 35 and the 40 GT before I got the WJ71 with the choke. So, okay, now the last section of the video, I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison. And guys, I hope you're ready for this, because hold on to your britches, because if you know anything about these things, you're gonna crap your drawers. Anyways, so here we go. Side-by-side comparison. And if you can't see it on that side, I'm gonna set it over there on that side so you can see the comparison. I'll get my finger out of the way. But that's comparison. Yeah, I'm telling you, that Venturi is like triple the size of the WJ71. I mean, I can't believe how big it is. It's I'm all shaky and stuff. But I was looking at that, and I mean, online, you're not expecting it until you see it in person. It's like, holy moly, that is like 3 times the size. I can't believe it. Oh man. So, all right, guys. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I did want to kind of talk about the gains that I expect to get out of it. And I know that when I had the 40 GT, it came with, and you guys got to remember, this is a long time ago. I had the 40 GT, is like 4 or 5 years ago. But anyways, that's when I ordered it. But it came with the Rooster Tail 990 full mod on it. And then I jumped to the WJ, and I noticed a significant, power increase, of course, because the carburetor's, twice the size at least. But anyways, I did that, and now, we got the 71 Supreme. I started with the WJ, and you can see up there, I'm pretty sure, yeah. That looks like 65 Supreme. So though, even that comes, straight from Taylor with the WJ71. So I wanted to get used to the WJ71 on the 71 Supreme, and get it all figured out. And I feel like I'm there with it as far as that. And so I wanted to upgrade it, and I expect to get a huge power jump. I'm gonna say probably maybe almost double power, if you can imagine that. I don't know. That's just what I expect, and all that stuff. But I'm so excited to get it on and everything. And right now, yeah, of course, we did the video of the clutch carrier yesterday or the day before yesterday. I get my days all jumbled up with my brain injury. But we did the clutch carrier, and I wasn't able to get that bolt out. And so I ordered another one, and I ordered it the same day. And so it's supposed to be here Monday. And sometimes my stuff comes early from John. Sometimes it comes early. So anyways, it'd be sweet if it showed up Saturday, so then I could put everything on and give her a rip, and I'll be back with a video of maybe an installation video if everybody wants to see that, and most likely a rip. So that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Do if you like the video. We will see you in the next one.